me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video, and this time, as you guys can see, we have the 2020 model Holden Commodore RS. That's a sports variant. So come up with me, I'll show you around. Just have a look at the car. It's really neat. Really, you could say that it resembles Audi and like Volkswagen, but nah, it's Holden Commodore RS. So that's the factory rims which we have here. Those are 18 inches and normal tire width. This is what you get from the factory, but you can put in 22 or 20 inches and make it more revvy. It has the side skirtings which are really good and gives really good look to your car. And this is a kind of a army green color, which like all the government vehicles here in Australia are like. Come down at the back, I'll show you. Just like Audi and normal, they have DRLs, daytime running lights, and I'll show you guys the boot. So, all right, just click on the sign, man, and that's the boot space. Really good. I guess I can seriously lie down. Woo! Really big, man. And that's a handle. Come on. So just like the same, I showed you the Commodore. They have it has a 3.6 liter V6 engine and keyless entry. Really amazing interior, as you guys can see. And let's open up the hood. Pop up the hood. Come on. Alright, let's see what you got. Oh, it has the Ecotec engine. It's really good engine and really good on the fuel economy, because with 6 cylinders you're getting a really good fuel economy. And that's about it. Let me know how you guys like the car, and I'll show you guys interior inside of the car as well, and we'll go on a ride. Till that time, stay tuned. Alright, so you guys are already in, huh? Alright, let's just start. Okay, so that's the Commodore which I just showed you guys around. And really good car. Has lane assist, has speed monitoring, speed tracking. If you desperately need a sip of coffee, it has that as well. And anyways, so yeah, it has the Holden MyLink, and you can connect your phone directly. There's my phone, I guess you guys are there on my phone. And that's the automatic temperature recognition, and I'll turn off the indicators. It has Drl Lights. This is a very good finish, you could say, like a Rexine leather stitch finish, rubber. And what else new for you guys? It also has ambient light, which you can see running down here. You can't see right now, maybe I'll take a video at night. It has on the door handles as well the same ambient light, which you can change the color, and standard navigation and all those things, just like normal. So let me know how you guys like the car, and let's go on a drive then. Do you guys want some ride right now? I'll take you for a little bit of drive.